Hi, and welcome to a near full minute of fifth wheel talk. Now, fifth wheels look imposing as they have a sky-high front end, but since they hitch up in your truck's bed, they distribute weight better and are easier to tow than a travel trailer. Now, as far as towing, some are specifically made lighter in weight to allow you to tow them with a half-ton truck. Fifth wheels come in two versions, mid-profile and full profile. Mid-profiles, while still boasting fantastic features, tend to be a bit smaller, therefore more lightweight. Full profiles are bigger, especially in the front cap area, where you're going to find 6 feet of ceiling height. You'll find a nice variety of floor plans, from rear living models designed for the entertaining camp couple to bunkhouses capable of sleeping the whole family. Fifth wheels are very roomy, with most having multiple slide outs, and lean toward luxury with residential style furniture and appliances. Plus, fifth wheels start at just $184 a month. There you have it. However you want to enjoy the RV life, Gander RV and Outdoors has the fifth wheel for you and your family.